The NetworkMaterialEdit node is a new feature of Katana 3.6, which allows you to make adjustments to existing network materials that have been created using NetworkMaterialCreate nodes, introduced in Katana 3.2. With the NetworkMaterialEdit node, you can add, remove, or edit shading nodes from existing networks. The NetworkMaterialEdit node follows the same design conventions as the NetworkMaterialCreate node, with exposed ports on shading nodes and a left-to-right node layout. To use a NetworkMaterialEdit node, it must be placed downstream of the original NetworkMaterialCreate node information, whether that information has come from a look file or from the NetworkMaterialCreate node itself. In the scene graph location parameter, you need to specify which network material you wish to edit. Use the middle mouse button to drag the network material from the scene graph into the text field. Jump inside the NetworkMaterialEdit node and you'll see a duplicate of the original shading node network. However, it appears slightly faded to indicate that no changes have been made yet. Once a change is made to a node, that node is marked with a yellow stripe to indicate that its parameters have been edited. If a new node is added, that node is marked with a green stripe. From here, you can make any necessary adjustments to your shading node network. If you make any upstream changes to the original NetworkMaterialCreate node, the information stored in the Material Layout attribute is updated, causing the NetworkMaterialEdit node to also update to reflect those changes. If you want to learn more about the NetworkMaterialCreate node, go to learn.foundry.com/Katana, where you can find an introductory series. For more information on the NetworkMaterialEdit node, head over to the online documentation. This node is very useful in various different situations. In the next video, I'll demonstrate the use of the NetworkMaterialEdit node within some common workflows.